Again, thank you, Blessing Oluishola Wealth Magnetic, for this opportunity. Before I introduce myself, I'd like to share my experience. One day I was in a meeting online. I watched the video till the end, but I wanted the video in my device. But I noticed that there was no download button. How do I get this video into my device? I told myself, I have to search, and I searched and saw IDM browser. So today we will be talking about IDM browser. My name is Eva, your software productivity coach, and I love to use software to make my work easier, faster, and better. So if you are like me, this channel is for you. Watch this video till the end, and as always, I have a special tip I will give to you at the end of this video. Those of you in the tech world, if you are yet to subscribe, do it now. It will encourage us to put up more content because someone out there needs this content. Click on the notification bell and you will always get updates when we upload new videos. Now, let's get right into the business of today. Okay, so if you don't have IDM browser, download the IDM browser on your mobile. Go to Play Store. Go to Play Store on your mobile and search for IDM browser. IDM browser. There is IDM browser on your laptop that you can use, but today we are using the one on your mobile phone. This is IDM browser. I already have it installed on my phone, so it's showing here installed. This is it. It says rate IDM. It would really help me to continue development, blah blah blah. So you can rate it now or later, but today we'll focus on what we are doing, so we'll rate it later. Okay, the most important thing we want to do here is use this IDM browser to download from a website. Yes, we are right there. We can now visit the web page. Today we are using this link. So normally when you are sent the link by anyone, or maybe in the case of browsing you saw the link and somehow you could not download the video, copy it to IDM browser and paste the link there and say go. It will go and start playing the video. It will automatically, appear where we can download it. See this one here. This is the one video on this page. Yes. So information: before viewing or downloading any file, always keep copyright in mind. So now it has brought the video out. So you click these three dots. 1, 2, 3. They are vertical 3 dots. Click on it. And when you click on it, you will see download, you will see preview. Sometimes I like to preview so that I'll be sure that what I am downloading is what I saw on the web page. Okay, for example, this is what I saw there because it's 15 minutes.
The plan to drastically reduce the population of the world.
I can now that I am sure, I can now download it. I'll click on the three vertical dots and click download, or just click on the video just the way I did now. Okay, we are right here in this place. You are going to either rename, you can rename it, or you save it with the name that is there. If you want to rename, just double click on it and then type what you want to type there. The next thing you're going to do is choose where you want to save the file. So right on this root folder, you click on this plus that is inside the folder. Yes, we can now create the folder we want to save the video. This video is my video. Okay. Well, let us just give it a name. Let's say download today. Download or downloaded today. So you click on OK. Unable to create folder. Let's go back to the phone and create the folder first before we can now go back to that page.
Okay, so right here I'm going to create a folder. So create a folder. Let us see if it will not work by this time. Downloaded today. Create. We have created the folder. Let's go straight to back to IDM and choose the folder now. Now that we have created the folder, click on the folder that has this arrow up, arrow up, arrow up. So we will click on downloaded today. We will click on this good, exactly, and then this one will come, right access to SD card required. Okay, now you will say okay. Now it has gone to another folder. This folder is not the folder we created though. So we'll go back to the phone and choose the folder we created. We must look for that folder because that is the folder we created for it. So yes, this is it, downloaded today. So use this folder. Allow IDM to access files in downloaded today. Allow. Exactly. So start to download. It said download link exists, but downloaded file doesn't exist. Okay, what you will do is rename file and download, or add a duplicate number. It looks like I have downloaded this video before. That is why it's showing me that. So in case you have downloaded one video before and it's showing you this, you can decide not to download it again or choose to add duplicate with number, file name. Say okay. It has started downloading. We can check here and see how far. We can see it here. It has started. See it here. Documentary, blah blah blah. It is downloading now. 86%, 87%. It is almost done. Wow, 100%. It's done. So right now, this is the video. That's the video. Click on the video and watch it with VLC. We have a lot of players, so I will use VLC to watch. All right, so this is the video. Exactly. So thank you so much. Let me pause it so that you can hear me. All right, so we made it. We have downloaded the video. So this is how you download videos from a website when there is no download button. Thank you so much for your patience in watching this tutorial. Remember, if you have questions or you want to make comments, the comment section is for that, and it's for you that is watching now. Thank you so much once again for watching.
Welcome back. I'm very sure that was insightful. You learned today how to use IDM browser to download videos from the internet. Like I said, the tip for today is file extension. There are sometimes you want to open a file, it just won't open and you are wondering, what can I use to open this file? You need to know what file extension is. File extension is those 3 letters, 2 letters, 4 letters after the dots in your file name. For example, .mp4, .mp3, .jpg, those are file extension. It will tell you what kind of file. It will tell you what kind of software or application to open the file with. So, for example, you open a picture and it's not working. Try to check what kind of extension. Did the extension change? It will help you know what software to use to open what kind of file it is. So, I'm very sure you love what I just said. And thank you so much once again for watching this video to the end. Thank you, Oluishola Blessing, Wealth Magnetic, once again for the opportunity. I love you all. Till our next video. See you next time.